Berg. He stopped.
The only thing that's good about
Ian Ellis, and he just had to change diapers right now.
The only good thing about Ian Ellis is that he has more birds than kids. Because if he had more kids than birds, this world would be in trouble.
Why wouldn't he answer the bird question? It wasn't hard. Yeah. Why were they tripping that? It wasn't a gotcha question, motherfucker.
I got people who have birds. I get it.
It wasn't a gotcha question, nigga. It was like, all right, you got birds. I was only asking him, like, what kind of birds you got in your cage?
The great thing on a nerve or something. With that.
The great thing about being Ian Ellis is you can line your own bird cage with your own tickets.
Now that was just hard.
That's not his question. Like, yeah, birds chirping, and he, the fucking, he tried hiding it. He tried like, I don't have no birds. It's like, nigga, you don't gotta hide. You got birds. It's okay. No one cares.
That's why we need the SaiyanZ Entertainment roast a month from whenever. We need a month. Written material, 2 minutes each. Everybody goes at each other. The Ross Dogs Club.
You think this shit already written? Bring it, bitch. I'll sit down and I'll say shit.
Can I let you guys into Ian's world a little bit? He doesn't have birds. He has to do all the podcasts or shows or whatever he's doing on his balcony. He's not allowed to do it in the house.
All right, see, you're being a faggot right now.
Birds that are outside.
See, we agreed you're better than Ian Ellis, so...
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Thank you.
I picture birds like floating up his smoking jacket to him.
Wait,
that's what I imagine.
Wait, we did the whole battle.
You guys remember that Birdman on Hey Arnold?
Well, yeah. I love that episode where they pulled out the loops and they brought them. They got like the
like that chick from Home Alone 2.
Oh
yeah, like that was.
She scared me when I was a little kid and I first seen that movie.
Cause that was weird, like. This fat ugly lady in the park. Living in Central Park. What are you doing, you fat ugly bitch with birds? They didn't even like her, by the way. She had to put a bird seed on her. Look at the nigga from here. The nigga from Hey Arnold didn't do bird seed. He lived amongst the birds. This bitch had to literally paint bird seed to her arms. And she didn't do it. That nigga flew away. This bitch was like, I'm just gonna be fat here. She had a weird British accent, by the way, didn't she? Didn't she have like a British accent?
Yeah, she was way too well spoken for a Central Park homeless person.
Why was she British? She was like British.
Stewie Griffin accent.
No, she was British in Home Alone 2, living in Central Park. Why was she British?
One of my favorite places to go.
Why was she British?
You know, some people are free spirits.
Shit, hey Kevin, we'll get to mash and bang us and mash afterwards. After they catch her, why was she British? I don't understand it.
Kevin's lucky the fucking cops came. She's probably a pedo. You know, she was about to take advantage of Macaulay.
You know what? I'd rather be catched by Joe Pesci and Daniel Stern than that bitch. That bitch was British. She was weirdo birds. We had to feed birdseed too.
You'd rather have your fingers bitten off one by one.
I think Kevin
those
fucked
two
her.
really made the fucking movie.
I think Kevin lost his virginity with that bitch. I think he fucked her stupid bird pussy under the fucking bridge thing.
I think the Shovel Slayer took that in the first.
Well, that was the first. No, I think Kevin hit that pussy because you're like, dear Kevin, I'm British, but I'm for some reason living in New York and being homeless.
He hit those two fuckers with the shovel and he took advantage of little Kevin.
She's like, Kevin, you're about to be in the movie Good Son where you threw the dummy off the bridge. Hit my pussy now.
He gave her that turtle dove, right?
Sticky bandits.
This nigga Kevin fucked that bitch and got enough confidence to do the shit in a. What was the second one? The hotel?
It was his aunt and uncle's renovated the house.
Because you had to go up the thing, yeah. The second one's a good. Wait, which
Didn't
one?
he give her those turtle doves? Remember he got those turtle doves?
2 turtle doves.
He fucked with the hotel people too.
Oh, thank God that fucking KB Toys is shut too, by the way.
The doorman was hilarious.
Oh, it's fucking, what's his name? Clue guy. No.
Yeah.
Wait, no. The other guy. The other guy. Yeah. Clue guy. Great fucking movie.
President Hoover stayed here. The vacuum guy.
You know, good movie. They pulled off the same bit from the first movie, with the guy who I smudged again off the elevator. That bit, the machine gun shit. They did that. They did it to that movie.
And they all ducked in the hallway.
Yeah.
Can't do that anymore, man.
Donald Trump was in the second one. President Trump.
Oh yeah, President Trump was in the second one. He like gives Kevin directions, right?
He said MAGA.
Fucking weird.
He whispered and he said, "What MAGA?"